It was time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. So I really put myself out there.
God damn it! Sit the fuck down.
What?
I said, sit your skinny ass down, you dumb slut.
Okay.
You broke my fucking legs!
Oh, boo-hoo. What?
It's not a party without a little drama, am I right? Come on, turn it up. Shots on the house.
Call me dumb. I have a PhD, motherfucker.
Miss Quinn,
Rome.
that was my driver.
Oh, whoops.
Well, I'm sure it was his fault. Consider him fired.
Consider me grateful, especially since I know you don't like me. I agitate his already delicate sense of mental equilibrium, that and his obsessive-compulsive need to be the center of attention.
Will your paramour be joining us this evening?
Not tonight, Romy. Not tonight.
Well, enjoy yourself, Miss Quinn, and do give the Joker my best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about the breakup, but you don't understand.
Find me a new driver.
Being Joker's girl gave me immunity. I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted, and no one ever dared to object.
Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know I bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always rock. First thing a girl did was a rock. And the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club trying to paper Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow that comes and I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. This full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I choo cause they hope I I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass.
Please, I give it a few days before they're back together.
Even when I did try and tell people, they didn't believe me.
Come on, she told me they're really broken up this time.
Sure they are, Shell. That's why she's still wearing that tacky J necklace.
He is going to be running right back into his arms the minute he snaps his fingers.
If not him, the next closest alpha male with a pulse.
Some people just aren't born to stand on their own. Oh, girl, let's drink. Come on.
Sure they are, Shell. That's why she's still wearing that tacky J necklace.
He is going to be running right back into his arms the minute he snaps his fingers.
If not him, the next closest alpha male with a pulse.
Some people just aren't born to stand on their own. Oh, girl, let's drink. Come on.
I knew I needed to find some way to show the world that I'd cut ties with Mr. J for good.